Parsley and lemons are two incredibly healthy foods and very popular among health-conscious individuals. When combined and consumed together, parsley and lemon water becomes a nutritional and medicinal powerhouse that can even promote weight loss. You can simply make your own recipe at home. All you will need is 1 cup of chopped parsley, half of a lemon, and half a cup of water. You can add half of a cucumber for additional benefits and 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. First, wash and measure the produce as described above. Quarter the lemon and place the parsley, lemon, water, cucumber, and honey into a juicer or blender. Using a blender will provide more fiber and health benefits than a juicer, but if using a juicer, you can always squeeze some of the lemon into the mixture. Blend or juice the ingredients together and pour into a cup. Now, let's discuss the amazing health benefits of drinking parsley and lemon water. First, drinking parsley and lemon juice is a nutritional powerhouse and a great way to start your day with important vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and more. Just 1/2 cup of fresh chopped parsley is an amazing source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, and potassium, among many others. Consuming a mixture of parsley and lemon juice can also provide amazing heart health benefits, improve heart health overall, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Surprising to some, but consuming parsley and lemon juice can help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of certain cognitive ailments and decline.